How to fix Netflix black screen with sound. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is refresh the page. If you're using Netflix in the browser, click on the refresh icon given at the top left. In case you are using the app, close it and reopen it. If it's a temporary glitch, this often solves it instantly. If you're using your browser, clearing your cache and cookies can help. For that, click on three bars given at the top right. Navigate to the option settings, head over to the option privacy and security. Click on the option delete browsing data, checking for these options, cookies and clear cache. Then click on this drop down, set it to all time, click on delete data. This clears out any corrupted session files that may be causing the display issue. Next thing you want to do is disable hardware acceleration. For that, navigate to this option system. Now toggle off for the option use hardware acceleration when available. Restart the browser, then go back to Netflix and see if the black screen is gone. Next up, update graphics driver. For that, search for device manager and launch it. Now expand display adapters. Under that, you're gonna find the graphic drivers. Double click on it and select update driver. Click on search for automatically and let it update. Then restart your PC and try Netflix again. If you're using Netflix app, uninstall it and reinstall it. For that, navigate to the option settings. Click on the option apps. Head over to the option install apps. Now search for Netflix. Once app appears, click on three dots and select the option uninstall. Then again, reinstall it after some time. If none of these steps work, it could be backend issue or account related. Visit help.netflix.com or contact support directly through the app. And that's it. These are some fixes for a Netflix black screen with sound issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.